Hello guys, my name is Yash. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about Deadlock in Java and also we will learn about interthread communication. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that you don't miss any updates. A process in operating system uses resources in the following way: request a resource, use the resource, releases the resource. Deadlock in Java is a part of multithreading. Deadlock is a situation of complete lock when no thread can complete its execution because of lack of resources. In this figure, thread 1 is holding a resource T1 and need another resource T2 to finish execution. But T2 is locked by thread 2, which needs T3, which in turn is locked by thread 3. Hence, none of them can finish and are stuck in a deadlock. Interthread communication is important when you develop an application where two or more threads exchange some information. Cooperation or interthread communication is a mechanism in which a thread is paused running in its critical section and another thread is allowed to enter in the same critical section to be executed. It is implemented by wait method, notify method, notify all method of object class. The wait method causes current thread to release the lock and wait until either another thread invokes the notify method or the notify all method for this object, or a specified amount of time has elapsed. The current thread must own this object's monitor. A monitor is a concept or mechanism that's not limited to the Java language. In concurrent programming, a monitor is an object or a module intended to be used safely by more than one thread. So it must be called from the synchronize method only, otherwise it will throw exception. The notify method wakes up a single thread that is waiting on this object's monitor. If any threads are waiting on this object, one of them is chosen to be awakened. Wakes up all threads that are waiting on this object's monitor. Threads enter to acquire lock. Lock is acquired by one thread. Now thread goes to waiting state if you call wait method on the object. Otherwise it releases the lock and exits. If you call notify method or notify all method, thread moves to notified state, that is runnable state. Now thread is available to acquire lock. After completion of the task, thread releases the lock and exits the monitor state of the object. Let's see the important differences between wait and sleep methods. The wait method releases the lock. The sleep method doesn't release the lock. It is a method of object class. It is a method of thread class. It is the non-static method. It is the static method. It should be notified by notify or notify all methods. After the specified amount of time, sleep is completed. If you like this video, share it with your friends and also don't forget to like.